Not too long after I put the GE out there, someone took it. So good. Anyway, let's go check out the TVs. Gonna check out the Philips in this video. Seems like that one has the most damage. And I forgot my nut driver. First time I saw this cabinet style, it was a 25-inch set, and I think it was RF only, or maybe had one AV input. And this is a 27-inch version of that. You got cheap, it's just printed on, it's not a logo. Good sets though, still. Something weird going on with the F-type connector on this one. I don't think that's factory. That weird washer, what the hell is that about? Screen and focus. Oh, the top one was hidden because it wasn't crouching down enough. Oh, this is a 25-inch set. Well, no shit, the Samsung's heavier because it's a 27-inch set. I just brain fart. I was like, wow, Philips Magnavox in my neighborhood, just like the one we used to have. I mean, not just like the one we used to have, but it's still the same name. Cool, 25-inch set. What's not cool is this. Ouch. It's been warped. Buttons out of it. Nice cabinet. So let me unscrew the back. Brought my nut driver. Is that what it's in here? Yeah, still. November 99. I would have been turning 4 on the 11th. Is it Toshiba 32A33 all over again or what? Let's see. Sorry, I don't have a tripod with me. Doesn't look damaged. TSR. Don't know what that is. Philips tube. Ooh, blue label. A25 GN. Oh wait, A63 AFW36X. Anyway, let me make sure the chassis doesn't come out. If you wanted to know, it's a 7/16. Speakers are 1.5 watts. Huh. Doesn't look too bad. This'll work. She'll fire up. Rust check. Barely any. There's like tiniest amount. Just like the last 25-inch set. Gonna have to glue that. Wow, how long did they fuck that up? Oh, there's rust. There's supposed to be a hose clamp at the end. The ends. So get that where it needs to go and glue it on there. Damn. Here's the tube. No, you can't have it for your arcade chassis. That's crappy, how that cord comes out there. You know I hate that. Or do you? So yeah, this'll work. Okay, so the sled came out of place. That's not supposed to come off. That just has the board slide into it. The hell's that operation? Why are they so rough on the power button? Oh, look how the degaussing thermistor is socketed. At least I think it is. That's made by Philips. Yeah, caps are Nichicon, or did I say Rubicon? I don't know. Nippon Kimicon, I think. See, these are just Philips chassis stripped down for the American market, and they're still pretty damn good. Okay, that's supposed to push down on the buttons like that, but it's not gonna, and I'd rather stick my finger in there to get it done quick. Let me plug the stuff back in, the yoke, deflection yoke, I mean. That plastic's not too yellowed, so it might be a low-hour set. Here's the electron gun assembly. Looks a little baked. This was assembled in Mexico. Are they tubes being made in Mexico yet? Nope. The O2 Sanyo has a Mexican-made Philips tube. So this one's halfway like my childhood set. American-made tube, but not assembled in the USA. Which is fine, I don't care. Hope the shadow mask isn't bent. Because they dropped this thing. Damn. So we have another 25-inch Philips set. Screen inspection. Is that a scratch? Nope. Broke that up. Is this a scratch? Nope. Scuffs. Those will buff out. Those ain't gonna buff out. She's not that bad. Okay. Okay, here we go. Guaranteed it's gonna work. Plug it in. Contact. Stick my finger in there. Here we go. Oh. It's dead? Huh. Yeah, it's not coming on. What are the buttons? Oh! The power button doesn't work. I remember turning this on. I mean, the one I had as a kid. It works. Convergence is way off in the corner, the top right. But yeah, it works. Oh, convergence looks bad all around because the assembly, the convergence ring assembly, is free spinning on the neck of the tube. But yeah, it looks good. Plenty bright. Nice.